So today I have, this is ore from TLP, beautiful gold. This is nickel azo gold from Golden. This one is, let me show you the two colors. I mixed titanium white, I mixed triad titanium white and cobalt teal, and I have this beautiful blue color. This one is Van Dyke brown from Amsterdam, and I have these three cell activators. One is carbon black from Amsterdam. This one is called deep gold from Amsterdam, and this one is also titanium white from Amsterdam. So I was not successful last time making any cells with them, so this time I'm going to try it again. This one, so these three are my cell activators, and these are my three colors. Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to practice some new color palettes with blooms, and I would try to go, usually when I do bloom, I am so crazy about colors. I would go ham on colors, and it's all over the canvas. So I was thinking I should practice to do some more interesting compositions, and that's where I am trying to go. So on this one I started with Van Dyke brown, and then I am layering my teal and white mix. Next comes the TLP ore. By the way, you can find or buy these pigments which are really shiny at Fluid Art Company. You can find the link on my description section. So far so good. Beautiful outcome, but that's not what I was going for. I was trying to create a kind of different kind of composition. If I change the order, what will happen? Today is basically my experimental day. Last time I started with Van Dyke Brown, and this time I'm starting with Nickel Azo Gold. And then comes the TLP and white mixture, and on top of it I am going to use the Van Dyke Brown. Let's see how it's different from the previous one. Nickel Azo Gold is always considered as a good starter, and as you can see, why it blends very nicely with everything. This gives a completely different vibe, doesn't it? I think I'm liking the previous one more than this one. What do you think? Also, there's nothing special about this composition. It's just a beautiful bloom. Here's the close-up. As you can see, it's a beautiful bloom, but I was not going for this outcome. This is my try number 3. This time I'm starting with Van Dyke Brown and then the Nickel Azo Gold. On the third layer, I am layering my teal and white combination. On top of the teal comes ore, and then I will use my 3-cell activators. Just realized that I did not use the gold cell activator. I think I am getting where I wanted to go. Look at the composition, it's completely different than usual bloom. I guess when I forgot to add the gold cell activator, I did not have enough cell activator on my surface. So when I was blowing, it did not spread that much. So therefore you can see a line where my white and black cell activator remained, and it gave me beautiful cells of in a concentrated space, and the rest is kind of free flowing. Oh, so pretty. it kind of gives me the cloud pour vibe. So I'm adding some lines to complete the composition, and it is stunningly beautiful. Let me look at this composition, and probably I will add some more lines to enhance whatever I have as a composition, but I am a really happy camper on this particular piece. Let me show you up close what I'm talking about. That patch of sail in the middle is magnificent, and beyond the surrounding that patch of sail, you can see that whimsical nebula kind of spreads on the background, which is to die for. It's so beautiful. It's a keeper and I am loving it. I'm so happy about this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.